In this video we're going to look at simplifying algebraic fractions by factorisation and then cancelling. So we've got to simplify 3x squared minus 6x divided by x squared plus x minus 6. So it would depend on your ability to be able to factorise. So when simplifying algebraic fractions, you should factorise as much as possible and then cancel. So we've got 3x squared minus 6x over x squared plus x minus 6. So looking at the numerator, i.e. the top part, 3x squared can be written as 3 times x, and then minus 6x can be written as minus 2 times 3 times x. So these are like the prime factors. Now we'll look for common factors. So we can see there's a 3 which is common and x which is common. So we'll circle those. We'll write down 3x, and then what have we not circled? We've got an x and a minus 2 here. So x minus 2 goes in the bracket. For this type of quadratic, we need to create two brackets. Put an x at the start, and then we look to see how we can get a 6. So possible answers are 1 and 6, but we can't get 1x from that. But we could try 2 and 3. Okay, so which one has to be positive and one has to be negative to get minus 6. So if we make that one plus and that one minus, plus 3 minus 2 will give me the 1x. Right, the next thing we do is we look for cancelling. We can see we have an x minus 2 in the denominator here and an x minus 2 in the numerator. So we can cancel those out, and we're left with an answer of 3x over x plus 3. So this has been a video to show you how to factorise a algebraic fraction and then cancel to get to simplify it. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.